Good evening and welcome to the news. We have great sport news today. Marco Reus has won the World Championship in the 100-meter race. He ran very fast and finished in first place. Marco Reus is now the fastest man in the world. Let's go live to the stadium. Our reporter, Mai Arafa, is there now. Hello, Mai Arafa.
Hello, I'm here at the stadium. This is a very exciting day. Many people came to watch the big race. The race was the 100-meter final at the World Championship. This is a big win for Marco and for his country.
Marco started running when he was a teenager. Now he is one of the best athletes in the world. Before the race, he looked calm and ready. When the race started, he ran fast from the beginning. He stayed strong and finished first. People in the stadium stood up and clapped. It was a proud moment. Thank you, Mai Arafa. That was a great report. Congratulations to Marco Reus for this amazing win. He made history today. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time.